kahit kung minsan matindi ang galit ko sa inyo. Hindi ko akalain na ganito ang mangyayari sa birthday kong ito.
You never heard before.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't tear my heart, my achy breaky heart. I just don't think you'd understand.
Oh yeah.
But if you tear my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man.
Dito po kayo sa part na to. Ayan, dito po. Diyan kayo sa gitna. Okay. Ay! Ayan, let's share. Ayan, let's share. Ayan, hindi lang yan. Meron din kayong balloon.
Ano naman? Ay, kaya pala ayaw ni Sandra umalis.
At syempre, meron din kayong fruit basket! Fruit basket, mother! Dito po tayo, mother. Okay, tingin kayo.
Sige, naku.
Ganito po, para makapagsiyak yan.
Oh, sige.
Okay, 1,
Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. I wondered where they'd gone, but they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every wants to shine.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, mother! Bago niyo po i-blow yung candle, dapat po muna kayo mag-wish. So, wish, wish, wish!
Pwede na.
Okay, blow! Happy birthday, Mother Franca! Yan! Yan ang pakonfetti ng Esmetis. At syempre, meron din kayong letter. May pinakandang letter. To nanay, no matter how many times we argue, how many times we don't understand you, and how many times we are misunderstood each other, we still think that you are the best and will always be the greatest nanay in the whole world, wide world. We love you to the moon and back. Love, Sister Raka, Silen, Auntie Us. Love. Okay. Ayan, nag-book ang kanilang message sa inyo. Okay lang kayo, Nay?
Siyempre, nagulat ako.
Ayan.
Hindi ko rin akalain na mayroon ganito.
Magpasal.
Sige na, thank you very much. Na lang.
Ayan. sa nagbigay po, si Ma'am Teresa at saka si Ma'am Fe. Ayan, all the way from Belgium, Brussels, Belgium at saka sa Laguna. Opo. Message niyo po para sa kanila, Mother.
Oh, sige, salamat. Kahit kung minsan, matindi ang galit ko sa inyo. Hindi ko akalain na ganito ang mangyayari sa birthday kong ito. Sana palaging ganito. Masaya. Sige, salamat. Okay, bye-bye.
Ayan. So, magpapakilala na ako, Mother.
Oh, sige.
Okay ka lang, ha? Okay. In behalf of Edmund Cheese Flower Shop and Party List, thank you, Ma'am Teresa and Ma'am Fe, sa pag-trust at pagpili po sa amin upang may hatid ang sorpresang nais na ipahatid sa inyong nanay na si Mother Francia. Ayan, sana ay nakasaya kayo. At syempre, andyan po ang mga anak nyo na malayo sila, na ipahatid po nila ang nais po nilang ipahatid. Ayan. Happy 72nd birthday, Nanay Francia! Long live! At alam ko, maraming nagmamahal sa inyo. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you! Bye! Wait. May nag-greet. Akin na po. Sino po sila?
Yung anak niya.
Ay, yung anak po. Okay, papakita natin. Okay, greet na po.
Lakasan mo, birthday night.
Lakasan mo din.
Happy birthday! Gabi pa dyan!
Galing araw na. Surprise ka.
Oo. Kaya pala ayaw umalis niya ni Sandra. May ganito pala, hindi niya sinabi. Oo nga.
Oh, sige. Oh, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ah.
Okay, bye! Okay, thank you!
Hi, Nanay! Happy birthday po! Miss na miss ka na namin. Sana makita ka namin soon. Hopefully, next year po, Nanay. Ang wish ko sa'yo, Nanay, sana lagi kayong masaya. Yung magandang kalusugan ninyo. Saka humaba po ang buhay ninyo para mas makasama ka pa namin. Ang hiling ko, ang hiling ko sa'yo, sana hindi ka na masyadong masungit. Saka bawas-bawasan niyo po stress niyo. Dapat happy lang lagi, Nanay. Ha? Tandaan niyo yan. Love you, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay. I wish you all the best. Sana humaba pa ang buhay mo. At sana huwag ka na po mag-stress. I love you, Nay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay. I love you and always be happy and I miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Nay! Mula sa inyong poging apo. Nax! Stay healthy and always choose to be happy. I love you so much and I miss you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Nanay! Happy birthday! I hope you live a long life para maabutan niyo pa akong maging doktor and I can make you more beautiful. I love you and God bless. Stay safe and most of all, ikanak the kortam from me and Waffles.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Hope you have more birthdays to come. I love you!
Happy birthday, Nanay. I love you and I miss you. Have a good one. Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday, Nanay. And I miss you. Have a good one.
Hello, Nanay. Happy birthday. Enjoy your presents.
Every single of my heart. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Yeah. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. I wonder Nanay.